Hey everyone, I'm in the middle of planning my next show, but I wanted to post a quick video about what Tacray's newest Kickstarter item is, the MT1 Multi-Tool. This is a perfectly pocket-sized multi-tool, and the color scheme featured on this particular model is called Desert, but there's some other options available. Its components are a mixture of stainless steel, titanium, and aluminum, optimized for long-lasting durability. The coolest feature, at least in my opinion, on the MT1 is this no-fuss flashlight. Press and hold the power button, and then you can cycle through constant power on 3 different settings, including high, medium, and low. On the highest setting, you can expect about 30 minutes of runtime with 260 lumens, medium for 45 minutes at 150 lumens, and low for 120 minutes at 25 lumens. This 250 mAh battery is rechargeable via a USB-C port, and you can actually check the battery level when charging as is indicated by a light. Because this light is a constant power flashlight, it doesn't have a momentary on feature, which means you can have the light on and use the other tools in this unit. Say, the knife in this instance. With the light on, I can actually see what I'm cutting into. Last note on the flashlight, it does have a memory mode setting, which is neat to see in a hybrid flashlight multi-tool like this. The knife is crisp and really sharp fresh out of the box. The MT1 is marketed as an outdoorsy multi-tool, and this blade design choice really reflects the seriousness of that claim. The chisel shape will allow for more rugged activities like making kindling shavings, or if you find yourself in a spot of trouble, perhaps even self-defense. The locking mechanism is neat, reminiscent of a liner lock. Press this metallic strip inwards, and then you can safely close the knife. On the flip side, you've got a bottle opener, seatbelt cutter, can opener, and prybar / flathead screwdriver. This thing closes the same way as the knife, simply press it inwards. The tip is a tungsten window breaker, and it is removable. And the reason it's removable is this neat pocket clip, which is reversible for those who love that. You can take this off, switch the side you need it, and screw it back on. Also here, you can find a little keyhole, perfect for paracord or a carabiner loop. Tacray created this in pursuit of creating something that had only the tools someone would use every day with none of the extra fluff. Knife? Check. Screwdriver? Check. Flashlight? Check. Can opener and bottle opener? Check, check, and check. The seatbelt cutter and window breaker are probably not going to be used every day. If you did, you would be the world's unluckiest driver, but some people are unlucky, and wouldn't you be glad to have those tools just in case? The Kickstarter at the time this video is published is live, and if you'd like to try this out and give your 2 cents on it, feel free to be a backer on the project. Thanks for tuning into this little short, elegantly EDC episode, and I'll catch you on the full episode next week.